unless you're ready to turn your kitchen into a flavor factory with these grilled chicken sandwiches. First, grab your hamburger buns because we're about to build something special. Got your grilled chicken breasts ready? Perfect. Now, let's make some zesty tzatziki sauce. Peel and grate a cucumber, then grate a garlic clove. Chop up some fresh dill and mint. Squeeze in some lemon juice and mix all these goodies with a cup of Greek-style plain yogurt. Sprinkle in a bit of salt and pepper, give it a good stir, and set it aside. Next step, it's sandwich assembly time. Start with a bun, lay down some crisp lettuce, juicy tomato slices, and a few rings of red onion. Top it off with your grilled chicken breast and a big ol' spoonful of that homemade tzatziki sauce. Pop on the top bun and get ready to enjoy layers of deliciousness in every bite. There you have it, folks, a grilled chicken sandwich with tzatziki sauce that's sure to impress. Thanks for watching and happy cooking. Brokenwood Mystic Farms.